to the Inside Elegance channel, your go-to place for all things home decor. If you're looking to infuse your space with charm, warmth, and timeless beauty, today's video is for you. We're diving into the rustic elegance of Cotswold-style decor, a design inspired by the picturesque English countryside. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Let us know which Cotswolds-inspired idea you love the most. The Cotswolds is a region in England renowned for its charming villages, rolling hills, and stone cottages. The design style takes inspiration from these idyllic surroundings, blending rustic elements with refined elegance. Whether you're decorating a cozy cottage or just looking to add a touch of rustic charm to your home, this video will give you ideas for every room in your house. Get ready to embrace the serenity of Cotswold-style living. The first step to capturing Cotswold-style decor is embracing the right color palette. Think soft, muted tones inspired by nature, sage greens, warm beiges, and stone grays. These colors reflect the natural beauty of the Cotswolds countryside, where rolling hills, wildflowers, and honey-colored stone buildings create a tranquil and timeless aesthetic. To bring the essence of the region into your space, incorporate these earthy hues into your walls, furniture, and textiles. A soft green wall can evoke the feeling of a tranquil garden, while a warm stone color on your sofa will create a welcoming, cozy vibe. Use these tones to establish a grounded and peaceful atmosphere in your home. Rustic elegance is all about embracing natural materials. Cotswold-style decor thrives on using materials like wood, stone, and linen, which bring a sense of authenticity and connection to nature. Wooden beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and stone fireplaces are key features of this style. Incorporate natural textures throughout your home to enhance that earthy elegance. Linen curtains, wool throws, and jute rugs will add softness while maintaining the organic aesthetic. These materials not only create a tactile experience but also reflect the simplicity and beauty of the natural world around the Cotswolds. One of the cornerstones of Cotswold-style decor is rustic wooden furniture. Large, sturdy wooden tables, bookshelves, and cabinets bring warmth and character to any room. These pieces often feature distressed finishes, showcasing their age and history, which adds a sense of charm and timelessness to your space. To achieve that authentic Cotswolds look, opt for furniture made from oak or reclaimed wood. You can mix and match different wood tones for an eclectic feel, but aim to keep the overall look grounded and natural. A large wooden dining table, for example, is perfect for family gatherings and creates an inviting focal point in the room. Stone is a key material in Cotswold-style decor, with its rustic yet refined charm. The Cotswolds region is known for its iconic honey-colored limestone, which is used to build the area's famous cottages. To bring this beautiful stone element into your home, consider incorporating stone walls, fireplaces, or even small accents like stone sculptures or vases. For a more affordable approach, you can mimic the stone look with textured wallpapers or stone-like tiles. Adding a stone feature, whether it's a rustic fireplace or a stone countertop, will infuse your space with a sense of permanence and connection to the natural world. A fireplace is a quintessential element of Cotswold-style homes. With cold winter nights in mind, fireplaces are both functional and decorative, creating a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Traditional stone or brick fireplaces fit perfectly into this rustic decor style, often complemented by a roaring fire for warmth and ambience. To make your fireplace a true centerpiece, surround it with vintage accessories like brass candle holders or an antique mirror. You can also add a wooden mantelpiece adorned with rustic touches such as dried flowers or a collection of old books. This is the perfect way to create a warm and inviting focal point in your living room or dining area. Cotswold style embraces history, and there's no better way to bring that into your home than by incorporating vintage and antique finds. Look for old furniture, paintings, and accessories that have been passed down through generations. These items bring a sense of authenticity and charm, as well as a story to tell. Whether it's a worn leather armchair, a weathered wooden chest, or a beautiful antique clock, these pieces help create a lived-in feel. They also add a layer of sophistication and make your space feel unique, as though it's been carefully curated over time. The key is finding pieces that feel timeless and organic to the Cotswold style. The right lighting can completely transform a room, and in Cotswold-style decor, soft, warm lighting is essential. Opt for table lamps, chandeliers, and sconces that cast a gentle glow, evoking the warm, golden light of a countryside evening. You might choose lighting fixtures made from natural materials like wrought iron or brass to maintain the rustic elegance. To create the perfect ambience, use dimmable lights or install warm-toned bulbs. Soft lighting is key to creating that cozy, intimate atmosphere that's so characteristic of Cotswold-style homes. Lighting can really set the tone for a relaxed, comfortable space, perfect for lounging or entertaining guests. Nature plays a large role in Cotswold-style decor, and what better way to celebrate that than with floral and botanical accents? Fresh flowers, potted plants, and botanical prints add life and vibrancy to your home. Think wildflowers in mason jars, leafy plants in terracotta pots, and vintage floral patterns on cushions and curtains. Incorporating greenery into your home not only enhances the natural aesthetic but also brings a sense of calm and freshness. Consider using plants like ivy, ferns, and lavender, which thrive in both the countryside and inside rustic homes. These natural elements bring texture and a pop of color to any room. In Cotswold-style decor, layering textiles is essential to creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Think of soft wool throws draped over armchairs, plush cushions piled on sofas, and linen curtains gently billowing in the breeze. The more textures you can add, the better. This creates a sense of comfort and depth in your space. Choose textiles that are both luxurious and natural, such as cashmere throws, wool blankets, and linen cushions. These materials not only look great but also feel wonderful to the touch. Layering textiles allows you to create a cozy, lived-in look that's perfect for relaxing and unwinding after a long day. What sets Cotswold-style apart is the ability to make it your own. Incorporate personal touches that reflect your style and personality while still keeping the rustic elegance intact. Whether it's a family heirloom, a piece of art from your travels, or a collection of vintage books, these items will make your home feel uniquely yours. Personal touches also bring warmth and character to a space. Display items that remind you of the countryside, such as antique gardening tools or handmade pottery. These objects, when placed thoughtfully, can add a sense of history and charm to your Cotswolds-inspired home, making it feel lived in and loved. Thank you so much for watching this video on Cotswold-style decor ideas. We hope you found inspiration for bringing the rustic elegance of the Cotswolds into your own home. From natural materials to cozy fireplaces, there are so many ways to incorporate this timeless style into every space. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Cotswolds-inspired design idea. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy decorating, and thank you for being part of the Inside Elegance community.